Company name, Acefast. Model, T6. Problem: both sides are not charging. Solution: due to long-time use of T6 model earbuds, dirt gets inside the shell of the charging connector of the earbuds, and the charging connector of the case also gets a lot of dirt, because of which, charging does not show properly. Earbuds and the charging case should be cleaned thoroughly with thinner and cotton bud. Then, if the earbud is placed correctly in the charging case, it will show charging. This will solve the problem.